gorgeous people, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope all of you guys are doing super awesome, super wonderful. Thank you for watching today. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for tuning in. I do appreciate it. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for all of your comments on my last video. I was not expecting you guys to watch. I wasn't expecting you guys to comment. Thank you so much, and I do appreciate all of you. If this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Odette, and my uploads are weekly. I don't have a set date right now, but for now, it's probably going to be a Sunday. And just stay tuned for weekly videos, turn on your notification, and please give me a thumbs up on this video and subscribe before you go. So we're going to talk about the outfit of the day because I know some of you may be asking, what are you wearing? So let me just show you, okay? This is a beautiful white dolman sweater top. This sweater top is from Asos. If you live in the United Kingdom, check out the Asos website. If I find the link, it's going to be down below for you guys. It's a beautiful, gorgeous, soft, warm, cozy, comfy sweater, and I love this. It's off the shoulder, and the jewelry is from Asos, and I had this in my collection a long time ago, so you may not see this on the website, but again, I'm sorry about that. And again, I've had this in my collection for such a long time. And the earrings are from Shaunz Beauty, and I got these a long time ago also as well, and I don't think she has her website anymore, but if you want to check out her channel, I'm going to leave her link in the description box for you guys so you can check it out. And so this is the outfit of the day. The leggings is from PrettyLittle Things, and I had this leggings in my collection for a while. Okay, so let's talk about skincare, things that I've added to my collection for the winter. Winter is really tough. I mean, by the way guys, if some of you live in countries where it's warm from January to December, good for you. Okay, I want to be where you are right now, okay? But for some of us in the UK and North America, it's the winter. It's a little bit cold. The winter in the UK is a little bit different because it doesn't snow. In North America, it's a little bit different because it can get to like -5 and 6. And you know, in the UK, the British people are like, they go crazy if it's a little bit cold. Anyway, let's talk about skincare. We are going to start with this particular skincare product, and I think I've shown you guys this before. This is from SKINN Cosmetics, and this is the anti-aging peptides body cream. This will keep your skin soft and velvety. It has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. It has shea butter, cocoa butter, all of the good things that will help with your skin when it comes to anti-aging and wrinkles and tightening and firming the skin. And this is an amazing cream, and I'm just going to show you guys quickly. I have been going through this. This is my 3rd jar, and you see how much I have been going through this product. It is so good. Love this. Highly recommend this for you. You can check out qvc.uk. You can check out the SKINN Cosmetics online. You can Google this if you want, and it is a really good skincare line. I would really highly recommend this for you guys, and I love it so much. It really helps to tighten and firm the skin, and especially for the winter, I don't like my skin to feel dry and too tight. I always like things that will add moisture to my skin and will keep my skin looking really firm for the winter season. So I do recommend this for you guys. And of course, everything we talk about today is going to be down below so you can take a look at it. And I'm just showing you guys a little video of how I use it. It's just really, really, really beautiful. It has a very light scent to it, and it smells almost like shea and cocoa butter mixed together. It is such a beautiful cream. Love it. From SKINN Cosmetics. Next, we're going to talk about Miss JLO Body Balm. Miss Jenny from the blog, Miss Jennifer Affleck. Let's talk about this right now, okay? First of all, I am not a big fan of celebrities when it comes to skincare and makeup because they are not experts. I'm really not, okay? This apparently is one of those products that's clinically proven to help with firmness and just reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles and stretch marks and all of those things. it hasn't done anything for me, to be honest. It really hasn't done anything for me, and this is not a cheap product. This is quite pricey, and you're gonna be shocked when I tell you this. This is my second jar using these things, and I haven't seen any results. And I'm thinking to myself, is it because of the melanin in my skin? How many jars do I have to go through to look like Miss Jennifer Lopez? Another 4? Pilates? Just saying. But it's not a bad cream at all. It really isn't a bad body butter. It leaves your skin kind of soft. I don't see any changes with my stretch marks on my butt, okay? And it just has a bit of shimmer to it when you put this on your skin, and it has a beautiful scent to it. So this body balm from Miss JLO from the blog is just okay for me. I've seen videos on Instagram where people talk about all kinds of wonderful things about this product. I'm not experiencing that, okay? And of course, Jennifer Lopez is one of those people, anything she creates, she's going to sell because she has a massive fan base, okay? That doesn't mean it's going to work for people like me, because I'm thinking to myself, maybe because I'm dark skinned and things are going to take longer to work. I'm not quite sure, but this is just okay. It's really not doing much for me. And again, like I said, maybe another 4 jars, I'm probably going to see some results. But for now, no, Miss JLO, not working for me, okay? Next, I do have Sol de Janeiro. This is from Sephora. This is a little bit pricey. The JLO Body Balm is a little bit more expensive than this one. This is very, very floral. And to be honest with you, I can feel a little bit of a difference on my skin with this. It is very, very, very sweet. If you are someone who is sensitive to strong scents, this may not be for you. And this is the body spray you can use with this to make the scent last longer. But again, it can come across too floral, because if you have a floral body spray and a deep, high, strong floral body cream, it might be too much for you. So if you just want to use this alone and not spray on your body spray, would be good. This is a really good body cream. Tightens and firms. It's really good, and it helps to, I guess, brighten the skin, soothes the skin. It has collagen and retinol and all of these wonderful things in it. And it's, again, it smells really, 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 really floral and very strong. So I always use a little bit of this. This is my second jar, guys. This is my second jar using this, and I see some slight results, better than Miss JLO Body Balm. And again, I'm not being disrespectful to this product. I'm just gonna have to buy another 100 jars and do my Pilates, like I say, to look like Miss JLO. Okay? So again, this is from Sephora. This is a really good one, and if you want to get both together, that's fine. And like I said, if you're somebody who are really, really sensitive to strong scents, don't get both. But if you just want to try this one, it is really good, and I'm becoming a little bit obsessed with this body cream. And if you want to get rid of your bumpy skin, you need this product. This is from Sephora. This is a bump eraser body scrub, and this has 10% AHA. I don't think I have a video on this one. As you can see, it's almost done. And with this, I did buy the body cream, the firming body cream, to go with this. I used the body cream twice, and I thought, what the hell, I'm not spending another penny on that because it didn't do anything for me. And I mean, I guess some of these things will work depending on how often you use this. But again, if you really want to firm and tighten up your body, eat well, drink a lot of water, exercise, get good sleep. That's gonna help, but just don't depend on these products to do that for you. This is really good. You know, sometimes on your elbows, behind your legs, on your knees, under your arms, if you want to get rid of those bumps, this is a highly, highly recommended product for you. You will thank me later. Try this product. Trust me when I tell you this. Thank me later when you try this. Again, it's from Sephora. Next, we're going to talk about this product. When was the last time you saw Jergens in your drugstore? I grew up as a child using this product. When I saw this, I thought, I'm getting it. It's a big tub, and of course it says for visible healthy skin with argan oil for extra dry skin, and it is just, it's a good brand. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand, and it doesn't have, I don't think it have any scent to it. I'm wearing perfume today, so I really can't smell if this has any scent to it, but normally with Jergens it's not a scented product. I don't think it does, but it's a really good product to add to your skincare line for the winter, because like I said, I haven't seen this in the drugstore forever, and it's always been a good brand, and I thought I am going to grab this right now. And one of the things that I highly recommend for you guys for dry skin, especially for the winter, is Aveno. This is one of the best, hands down, no joke, product for dry skin. And don't get the generic one, get the one that says Aveno on the bottle. It's a little bit expensive. You may probably get this for maybe $12–11 in North America and about maybe £10 in the UK. This is such a good product. In a matter of days, your dry skin will totally disappear. So use this twice a day on your feet, the bottom of your feet, on your elbows, on your stomach, on your back, behind your legs. This is going to work wonders for you, and I recommend this for you guys as well. And last but not least, I just picked up a body lotion or body cream from this is Bath & Body Works, and this is called Hello Beautiful, and it's moisturizing. And of course, you know, with the Bath & Body Works, I mean, their products are just dynamite. It smells really good, and I feel that it helps with moisturization as well. It keeps my skin feeling so smooth and so soft, and I really like this one. Let me show you guys what it looks like. This is it up close, okay? I am going to leave this down in the description box for you guys so you can try this. So everything we talk about, guys, is going to be down in the description box for you, but if I have to recommend something for you guys, it's this bump eraser. This is from Sephora. This is an amazing body scrub. Get the Jergens as well, and if you want to try something a little bit luxurious, you go for the Sol de Janeiro. This is really beautiful, but if you want to skip the body spray, that's fine, because it may come across too strong for you guys. And that's it for my winter skincare, and I'm telling you, I'm using everything. I alternate these all the time, and they are really good. Again, for Miss JLO, like I said, another couple of jars, and maybe I'm gonna come back without any stretch marks on my skin. Who knows? You're gonna try, right? Anyhow, my lovely people, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. My name is Odette. I shall see you guys next time. Toodles! Bye!